Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about even numbers. The same concept we are going to follow for even numbers but in a different way. So we are going to write from 1 to 15 in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, now in a different concept, we can ask the kid to tick the numbers. Yes, we should leave the first number and ask the kid to tick from the second number and leave one number and tick the next number and leave one number and tick the next number. Leave one number and tick the next number. Leave one number, tick the next number. Leave one number, tick the next number. Leave one number and tick the next number. Yes. Now ask the kid to write down the numbers which we have ticked. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So say them. It is not only the even numbers. It comes as a tables also. 2 tables. For writing 2 tables, this will be an easier method also. So, do you like my video? If you like it, kindly press the like button, share the video, subscribe the channel and comment the video. So, for odd numbers and ascending order and descending order, please visit the link given in the description. Thank you.